Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Charge, unlock, and back up small changes. Open Settings and type Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing into the search bar to jump straight there. This saves time versus digging through menus. Once done, confirm the system module is available on your Vivo variant because some models use Google Digital Wellbeing while others use Vivo's native tool. Make sure you grant any permission prompts so tracking can begin immediately. Next, you enable tracking and configure what you want to monitor. Tap the Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing entry, then turn on the tracking toggle. If asked, grant permission for usage and notification access so data is complete. Now set app timers or a daily limit for distracting apps. This helps you see meaningful watch time versus background activity. Once configured, let the phone collect data for a few hours or a full day to populate the charts and summaries. And finally, you view the results in the dashboard. Choose daily or weekly view to see total minutes and per app watch time, and tap any app for detailed sessions. You can screenshot or export the report if you need a record, and adjust timers or limits to refine future tracking. If numbers look wrong, restart the phone, update FunTouch OS, and re-grant usage and battery permissions. That usually fixes missing or stalled tracking, so data resumes correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.